So you go down to the end of the molars, then come off the molar and then curl the finger up. Open the mouth please, Katie. You can feel the tendon contract. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So as you're inhibiting, are you asking, is Katie opening, closing, or are you just inhibiting?
Just inhibiting.
Okay.
That's lateral pterygoid, okay? Medial pterygoid, come through 90 degrees. Open the mouth slightly, relax, and then pull out to the side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, okay? Medial and lateral pterygoids, okay? Nice and easy to find. Okay, as I say, you should be able to do it just on feel. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, got the idea?